At the start of year 2, we went to see a planetarium. It felt like you were in a rocket. In science, we were taught to inquire. And we got to lay down on the floor and look at, and we saw the whole solar system. It was very peaceful when you were inside watching all the space. And one of the facts was that Mars is one of the coldest planets and Venus is one of the hottest. I've been on the school council and it was really fun because we got to tell Mrs. O'Connor how we saw people playing at break time and how they were behaving. A good school counsellor does helping, including, and listens to others. In year 2, you have to be responsible because you're the top year in pre-prep. We collaborate and we make our school nice and fun for children, and then we tell people if they're being mean to stop.
Got a friend in me.
For our first topic, we started off by getting a boarding pass. In the sports, the teachers set up a pretend flight. It looks like we were actually flying. The bagman visited us in year 2. He had loads of rainforest bugs, and he told us if all the bugs in the world have died, our planet would be dead. The most interesting bug was the tarantula, and I felt quite scared, but luckily we did not be able to hold it because it had fangs. At the end of year 2, we went to the high ropes. At the beginning of the high ropes, I was pretty nervous, but when I started going on, I wasn't that scared anymore because it was actually pretty fun.
Before we know it, the summer will have come.
We have a well-being dog, and it's really fun because it's called Benji, and lots of people like dogs, and it's a well-being dog, and it's really important to us. At the end of year 2, we brought in our bikes. Mrs. Cave's really nice, and she teaches us different things about sports. Yeah, and it's more good for the environment instead of petrol and electric.
What are you going to do in the sewers?
Eat pizza. Yes, Ninja Turtles love pizza. Yay!
So in year 2 we learnt about the violin, but when we started we can only pluck. But a few months later we used the bows for the first time. Music's important because we can learn stuff when we're older, and if we practice and practice, you'll get better and better.
The things I am most proud of on behalf of our team, of the children and our whole school family is the strong sense of community that we have created in our school together. Our inspection earlier this year, which awarded our school a significant strength based on our research-led approach and practice, was very gratifying. It's important to remind us all, and where I think you can see in all of the performances this morning, we are Pre-Prep School of the Year.
I'm really looking forward to year 3 since my sister Dusty's there. I am very excited about the new classes, but I'm also a bit sad because I'm leaving the pre-prep. We absolutely love year 2, but we're ready